Today's your lucky day. This is the last Snapchat video I'm probably going to ever make. Gryffindors and non-Gryffindors, what's up guys? It's Griff, back at it again with the last Snapchat video I'm ever going to make. I know, it's upsetting, but it's okay. I really want to move on from these. They're really stale, and honestly, this is what I feel like every time I make one. Today's actually a pretty cool one. I stumbled upon this randomly one day when I was on my Snapchat map, and I figured a lot of people could use this. I'm gonna show you guys how you could appear anywhere in the world on your Snapchat map. Crazy, I know, right? Griff is just full of these Snapchat hacks. How does he even think of these? Well, it just popped into my head. So instead of babbling on like an idiot and just making this video longer than ever has to be, let's just jump right onto my phone and get right to it. Welcome to my phone. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna open up Snap Map, find yourself on the Snap Map. Then from there, screenshot where you are. We're gonna need that for later. Then go to your first location that you want to go to on your Snap Map. I took a pic of the whole wide world. Also, we're gonna go to Africa, might take a trip. Then we're gonna go to maybe Germany. Let's take a screenshot of that. From there, maybe we'll look up different Bitmojis just to make sure we fit every location we're at. So say if we go to Antarctica or somewhere cold, we have that right Bitmoji. Then you're gonna airdrop all those screenshots to your computer, and then once those get sent, we're on to the next step. Phone part, check. Now, let's jump on my computer and finish this up. Welcome to my computer. What we're gonna do is we're first gonna find the screenshot that has our Bitmoji in it, and we're gonna take out all the surrounding objects around us. So that way we could use our Bitmoji for later when we drop them on the map. Now open up your nearest Paint or Photoshop application, choose the location that you took on the screenshot of the Snap Map, drop your Bitmoji in there, and then size yourself properly. From there, what you're gonna do after you size yourself, you're gonna screenshot that image, then open up in the next location you would like to go on the Snap Map. So I chose Germany. You're basically repeating these steps on any location you want to go on the Snap Map. Now, if you really want to get creative with this, and this is why I had you take a screenshot of your Bitmoji being active. So let's go to Antarctica, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that Bitmoji screenshot and take out the whole background. It doesn't have to be neat since the Bitmoji is so small. I'm gonna take out everything around me. Hold on one sec here. All right, just finishing up, perfect touches, and boom, that should do it. Next, we're gonna drop our Bitmoji on Antarctica. And just like the other locations, we're gonna screenshot this one, take all those screenshots and airdrop them right back to your phone. No way, how am I in Antarctica right now when I'm literally home? That's insanity. And that's what everybody's gonna be saying once they see you all the way wherever you are. I don't know where you put yourself, but you better be somewhere good, somewhere you've never been before. And that's the magic of technology nowadays. In Photoshop, technically I did show you how to put your Bitmoji anywhere on the Snap Map, but just not the way I feel like you would have liked. That is going to probably end my reign of Snapchat videos and trolling the internet. I really want to stick to making good quality content, stuff that I actually like to make. Unfortunately, I hate making these. So if you really want to stick around, see what my channel's about, and you didn't get too salty with this whole entire thing, make sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button, because we post twice a week. And honestly, my videos just keep getting better and better and better and better. That's me humbly speaking. So guys, if you did enjoy this video at all, make sure to smash that thumbs up button down below and hit that subscribe button. And as always, I will definitely see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.